Can't stop the fun when business isn't and can stop the joy. When you worry no more, don't settle for then comfy business. Let's go to trustworthy and bliss. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, building business, building future. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, not just for business, but a stable one. ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Whoa, oh, 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 all you need is ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Be your major distributor.
And yes, pwede ka na ngang magsimula ng sarili mong brand ng skincare with CY Shop offers this 2025. Hi guys, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag, CY Bioscience Corp, your partner in private label skincare. And of course, we want to revolutionize beauty one brand at a time. Again, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag from CY Shop Worldwide Company. So now let's talk about CY Bioscience private labeling with CY Shop. So building business, building brand, building future. So all about CY Bioscience Corp. It was founded way back 2014 by me, Dr. Ram Dagdag. Specialization is private labeling and original brand formulation. Our mission is to empower entrepreneurs to create unique skincare brands. And of course, to be the leading innovator in sustainable and effective skincare solutions worldwide. And of course, innovations, quality, sustainability, and partnership is our core values here. Why choose private labeling? Customization, tailor products to reflect your brand's identity, cost effectiveness, avoid high development costs and scale faster. And of course, time saving mga mare. Launch your brand with minimal lead time. Exclusive rights stand out in the market with unique formulation. Expert support leverage expertise in formulation and packaging. Course with CY Bioscience Corp private labeling mga mara, GMP certified facility for producing safe and high quality product, in-house team to design logos and labels and marketing collaterals, and of course, warehousing and order management services for our client conveniences. Sobrang dami ng offer ni ZY Bioscience Corp. That includes our online warehousing program para sa ating mga OFW partners na gustong magsimula ng kanilang brand this 2025. And of course, what differentiates CY Bioscience Corp is that the quality assurance, sustainability, scalability, and an end-to-end services that we offer. Quality assurance, guys, we use premium ethically sourced ingredients from Thailand and ensure formulation meet international standards, not just nationwide, but of course, international standards as we are aiming to reach the international market through the brands na nagpapa-rebrand sa atin. And of course, sustainability, we focus on eco-friendly practices, including biodegradable packages and carbon neutral shipping. Scalability, guys, flexible manufacturing options from small batches of orders to mass production. And of course, we have an end-to-end service from formulation and branding to marketing and distribution, providing you a one-stop solution. And of course, we are now going to tackle the CY Bioscience offerings. So we have here Coreline ready to customize formulations. Ito po yung tinatawag nating mga pre-formulated product. We can also do custom formulation, packaging options, certifications, and all. And of course, what are the products that we offer? Our product, your brand. We have soap, perfume, lip tint, sunscreen, serum, lotion, rejuvenating set, niacinamide set, melasma set, glass skin set, foam facial washes, and of course, we have facial cream, niacinamide body wash, sunscreen serum, lotion serum, melasma cream, shampoo, essential oils, regenerating skincare set, and also open tayo for customized formulations. So what are the services that we offer? We have custom formulation development, label design and branding, and of course, the packaging solutions, quality assurance, and testing. So how to start naman your private label skincare brand with us? So there is 4 phases na dadaanan natin if you want to start your own brand. So we have the consultation phase. We have our virtual office open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays to Saturdays. So we have the consultation phase. Doon pwede kayong magtanong kahit nasa ang lugar man kayo, nasa ibang bansa kayo, pwede kayong pumasok sa aming Zoom virtual office. And of course, we have the next phase, which is the branding phase. Third phase is the manufacturing and the distribution phase. And starting your own brand, guys, pinadali na natin to dito sa ZY Bioscience Corp. We have here the consultation phase, wherein the client selects a base products or requests a custom formulation. And of course, for the branding phase naman, we collaborate with our clients to design the logos, labels, and packaging. We ensure compliance with labeling regulation, of course, in our target market. So it is very important for us to know sino nga ba yung target market mo, saan mo target i-distribute ang iyong product. When it comes with the manufacturing phase, we produce products in small or bulk orders or bulk quantities based on clients' requirements. We perform quality checks and packaging. Of course, guys, we offer flexible delivery options. We can deliver direct to clients or we can also do drop shipping. Kung meron ka naman target market pero hindi mo pa, walang magmamanage dito sa Philippines, do not worry because we also offer drop shipping to your clients directly. And of course, hindi doon nahihinto ang marketing support ni Seaway Shop. Of course, we have the educational workshop, marketing kits, and digital marketing packages. For the educational workshops, guys, we host master classes on selling skincare products and growing your brands. And of course, we have the marketing kits. It is a pre-designed products, photography, and video assets for our client use. And of course, we have our digital marketing packages wherein we offer social media management and ad campaign setup services for our client. So as for the product specifications for the products na meron tayo, of course, our edge is that we are using organic raw materials from Thailand. We have the perfume lip tints, face serum, sunscreen, lotion, and sobrang dami pang iba. So let's first talk about the organic soap. Organic soap is made up from natural ingredient. It is gentle on your sensitive skin and of course eco-friendly and often contains beneficial nutrients that nourishes our skin. So as for the products or variants that is available, we have niacinamide, ultimate whitening, kojic acid soap, glutarbutin or glass skin combination, and of course we have the bleaching collagen. As for the niacinamide facial cleanser, guys, niacinamide is of course a known B3 product na we can use for our skin. So niacinamide is a facial cleanser, actually helps to keep your skin hydrated, control excess oil, and evens out those skin tone by reducing dark spots, soothes irritation for sensitive skin, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and aging. And of course, we have the niacinamide sunscreen. This one is a gel-based sunscreen, mga mare. So we have as for the hydration, it helps our skin to moisturize while protecting from UV rays. We also have skin tone improvement. Niacinamide can brighten the skin tone and even out yung mga hindi natin pantay-pantay na skin dyan. No? Of course, we have oil control. It helps reduce excess oil, making it sustainable for your skin. Soothing, it calms irritation and redness, ideal for your sensitive skin. Anti-aging, it may help reduce the appearance of those fine lines and improve your skin texture. Using niacinamide sunscreen can protect your skin from sun damage while providing additional skin benefits. And of course, meron din tayong niacinamide body wash. And meron din tayong mga skincare serum such as the niacinamide serum. A niacinamide serum is a skincare product with vitamin B3 that offers special benefits such as, again, the hydration, brightening, oil control, soothing, and anti-aging. So it helps improve your skin overall health and appearance. Kaya sobrang ganda ng niacinamide as an active ingredients for all the skin products that you can have. And of course, mga mare, meron tayo ditong premium lip tint with our colors, which is the raspberry, Chinese red, cherry red, scarlet red, and mulled wine na talaga namang patok na patok sa mga kabataan, guys. No? And of course, one of our best-selling product is our perfume because we are using 100% original Dubai-based oil perfume. This fragrances, guys, it uses oil that is as a base instead of alcohol. Yun yung pinagkaiba kapag sinabi natin na Dubai-based oil perfume. It is using oil as a base, not the alcohol that is mostly in the market, kaya mura yung products na yon. What is the best thing about Dubai-based oil perfume naman? So here are the key points that you have to consider if you wanted to start your own perfume brand. And first thing is it has a long-lasting effect. So oil perfumes tend to have a long-lasting effect compared to alcohol-based fragrances. It has rich scents. They often have deep, complex fragrances that can be more intense. And of course, skin-friendly yan, mga mare. Oil formulations are less likely to irritate those sensitive skin. So, naranasan mo na bang nagpabango ka tapos na-irritate yung skin mo? Basically, because it is an alcohol-based fragrance. So, there are varieties of scents that you can choose. And of course, for the application, typically applied with roll-on or, you can dab on your pulse. So, this perfume offers a luxurious and unique fragrance experience, often reflecting the rich culture of Dubai. So, as for the scents available, this one, guys, are inspired perfume. We have Hugo Boss, Invictus, Versace, Eros, and so much more, no? Again, as for the soap naman, we have the bleaching collagen, kojic acid soap, gluta-arbutin, Glaskin, ultimate whitening, and niacinamide. So dito, guys, sinesend to ng ating mga sales representatives so that you can check on what is the skin problem na gusto mong i-resolve when it comes with starting your own brand. So it is very important na kapag nag-start ka ng soap brand mo or skincare product mo, nasasagot mo yung tanong na ano ba yung skincare problem na gusto mong i-resolve? Gusto mo ba na anti-aging siya? Gusto mo ba na anti-melasma siya? So you can go on with the bleaching collagen. Kung gusto mo na nag-exfoliate siya, nagba-brighten ng skin at may sun protection, go on with the Glaskin. It is very important to note yung mga bagay na to when you are starting out your own brand para alam mo yung tinatawag na unique selling proposition ng iyong product. And of course, meron naman tayong mga skincare set. We have the niacinamide skincare set na consist ng niacinamide brightening soap, broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 50 with niacinamide, niacinamide peptide night cream repair, and of course, we have the niacinamide clarifying toner. As for the Glaskin set naman, we have the Glaskin brightening soap, Glaskin dewy sunscreen SPF 50, and of course, the Glaskin night cream repair, and the Glaskin hydrating toner. We also have the melasma set, the gentle brightening soap, hydrating, moisturizing with sun protection, and of course, we have the night repair cream and exfoliating toner. Meron din po tayong tinatawag na rejuvenating skincare set na meron siyang rejuvenating brightening soap, rejuvenating sun shield SPF 50, and rejuvenating night repair cream, and rejuvenating radiance toner. And syempre, meron din po tayong new product which is the liquid foundation with SPF 50 and niacinamide. At syempre, meron din po tayong anti-melasma cream with collagen that is also open for rebranding. So, marami tayong face cream na available. You can ask us. And of course, kung gusto mong magpa-formulate, you can customize your own formulation for the face cream. Ito naman po yung ating packages na available. Meron po tayong maliliit na MOQ. So, we can start with 100 pieces at 2,500 pesos. And of course, kung 1,000 pieces naman yan, 24,000 pesos, own formulation nyo na. Kung gusto nyo magpa-own formulate ng mga product, guys, a minimum of 1,000 pieces po ang ating MOQ requirement. Ang maganda naman dyan, nakapatent na yan sa inyo, meron na rin yan clinical studies or clinical testing so that you are sure 100% na perfect and of course, safe ang iyong product na ilalabas sa market. And of course, we also assess in FDA CPM. No? So, ayan. Meron tayo talaga namang pack na Elite Rebranding Package. Ang Elite Rebranding Package natin, mga mare, ang maganda nito, meron na siyang 4,000 pieces soap, 2,000 pieces lip tint, 1,000 pieces sunscreen, 1,000 pieces serum, 600 lotion, at 300 perfume. Yung soap, lip tint, sunscreen, serum, at lotion dito, pwedeng own formulation nyo na. So, you can have a brand na talagang nakapatent sa inyo at nakapangalan sa inyo. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi meron tayong tinatawag na non-disclosure agreement contract dito na kapag po inilabas natin yung product ninyo, hindi ko sasabihin na ito yung pagmamalaki na ako yung formulator ng product or brand ninyo. Ang maganda nun, safe yon para sa iyo as a entrepreneur and as a CEO. So we are also here to guide you when it comes with starting your brand. Ang maganda pa nito, mga mare, gagawin ka na namin ng FB account, FB page, FB resellers group. Yes, hahanapan na namin ng reseller ang brand mo at syempre meron na din niyang marketing assets such as the video and photo. Free TikTok account, free DTI business name registration at syempre 3 months brand marketing campaign. So imo-marketing dad natin ang brand mo kapag inavail mo ang ating Elite Rebranding Package. Free TikTok shop, free TikTok affiliate, tutulungan at tuturuan ka din namin kung paano mo ma-set up ang iyong Shopee at Lazada account. Yes, mga mare, hindi ka lang mag-a-avail ng ating mga products dito, kundi tutulungan ka rin namin kung paano mo nga ba ma-i-place ang iyong product sa market. At syempre, kung hindi mo pa naman afford ang ating 500k Elite Rebranding Package, meron din naman po tayong 150k Gold Package. Meron na itong 1,000 pieces soap, 500 lip tint, 500 sunscreen, 200 serum, 200 lotion, at 100 perfume. DTI business name registration, libre na po yan. Free FB page, free FB group, free TikTok account, free TikTok shop, free TikTok affiliates, and free brand marketing. So, meron naman din tayong 25k bronze package. Of course, free shipping nationwide yan, free sticker label, free basic logo layout, free basic video and photo shoot, free DTI business name registration, and free basic marketing materials. That is consists of 100 pieces soap, 50 lip tint, 50 sunscreen, 50 lotion, 50 serum, and 30 pieces na perfume. Yan yung mga packages, rebranding packages natin na may kasama ng advantages. At syempre, meron din tayong skincare set na available. Kung gusto mo naman skincare set yung i-avail mo, meron nga tayo pong rejuvenating set, niacinamide set, glass skin set, and melasma set. As for the package A, consists na yan ng 50 soap at 50 skincare set. As for the package B, 50,000, 200 skincare set at 200 pieces soap, free DTI na din yan. Kung i-avail mo naman ang ating package C with 500 skincare set, pwede ka nang magpa-own formulate dyan, pati ang soap mo. Free DTI at free social media account. Sa 100,000 na po to, pwede ka na rin namin gawa ng FB page, FB group, TikTok account at TikTok shop. Tutulungan ka din namin dyan since may DTI na din po yan. At syempre, ito nga po yung aming bagong offering. Kung gusto mong magsimula ng sarili mong perfume brand, gusto mong mamili ng sarili mong bote, yes na yes, a minimum of 100 pieces, you can now choose your own bottle and choose your own scent. Talagang pak na pa kasi brand mo na talaga ito, mga mare. Available din tayo with transparent sticker for the perfume. Pwede ka pang mamili ng iyong sariling bottle. As for the lab processing, 20 business days po. Saturdays and Sundays is not counted, and of course, holidays is not counted. So once nag-submit ka na ng order form at nag-paid ka, whether it is through website or through manual, pwede po yan. Order number will be released, order number will be submitted to the graphic team. And of course, as for the logo layout, logo approval, kailangan once na na-approve, dun pa lang magka-count ang ating 20 business days. Meron lamang po tayong 1 to 2 revision for our basic logo layout. Once logo is approved, it will be submitted to the printing department. Kaya once nag-go ka na, nag-confirm ka na, wala nang urungan yun mga mare ha. Kasi yun na po yung isasubmit natin sa ating printing department for the labels. Order will be submitted to the production team for the actual manufacturing of your product. That takes 20 business days to line up. So once logo and products are ready, it will be submitted to the labeling department. Photo and video will be sent after the order number was dispatched. FYI ko lang that JNT shipment commitment days is 5 to 7 business days, excluding Saturdays and Sundays and holidays din po. Kung naman yan, DHL international shipment, 2 to 3 weeks. Please take note of the process mga mare. Bago ka mag-avail, dapat naiintindihan at nauunawaan mo completely ang ating 20 business days lab process. We always guarantee quality, kaya medyo matagal yung process natin. Hindi siya minamadali dahil wala tayong stock product dito. Once nag-order kayo, doon pa lang po ipoproduce ang inyong mga products. We also now offer customized bags on all packages, on all products na meron tayo. And of course, nag-upgrade na ang ating mga soap packaging. Meron po tayong pillow pouch packaging na standard pillow packaging natin. At syempre, meron tayong eco-friendly direct print packaging, a minimum of 500 pieces. Pwede na nating i-cater ang iyong direct prints. So again, ito po ay eco-friendly. So ibig sabihin, papel po ang ginamit dito. Ano? At syempre, meron din tayong box packaging for the soap. So, sa lahat ng nag-avail, sa lahat ng aming mga current CEOs ng kanilang brand, meron po tayong free entrep trainings in one click for our dear CEOs, kung saan meron na po tayong business startup kit, how to build your skincare brand, how to build skincare brand presence, how to create distribution or distributorship model, social media marketing, TikTok marketing, creating your own brand is a social media marketing strategy, C-Shop, Entrep Academy, basic social media marketing courses. Lahat ng po yan ay nasa one click ng ZY Entrep Academy na sinesend natin sa ating mga current CEO para mapag-aralan nila kung paano mga ba nila mapapalago ang business nila. So yan mga mare, blueprint na yan kung paano nga ba ginawa ng iba't ibang mga CEO ang kanilang brand. So ginawa ko tong libre para sa lahat ng ating mga brand owners dahil lahat ay may kakayahan na mapalago ang kanilang negosyo. So ano pang hinihintay mo? All you have to do is to message us directly. You can drop in sa ating virtual office. So you can be the next CEO of your skincare brand. All you have to do is to message us if you are interested to avail and start your own brand. This 2025, sobrang dami at ang gaganda ng offers natin. You can also visit our website at cyshop.net/skincare rebranding so that you can check all the testimonies that we have there. So, aantayin ko ang message mo para makausap kita one-on-one if gusto mong magpa-own formulation. So, hintayin namin ang message mo and hopefully this 2025 you can start your own brand. So again, this is Dr. Ram Degdan from CY Shop Worldwide Company. May you have a good day, guys, and God bless us all. Thank you.
Can't stop the fun.